Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Princess Daisy. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start with two curves near the top here for the eyes. Next, underneath toward the center, let's draw two large ovals. And then inside, on the top right, let's draw a small circle. And then in the center, let's draw another circle curve behind it. And then let's color both of the pupils in black. Next, underneath, let's draw a small curve. Lastly, let's add 3 eyelashes on each eye. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move up and draw the eyebrows with a curve above each one. Next, let's move down in the center and draw a small curve for the nose. And below it, let's add a curve for the mouth. And then one more smaller curve below for the bottom lip. And that's it for the face. Now let's move up and start drawing the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a curve down to the left and curve it back up. And the same thing on the right. Now on the sides, let's angle it down and then curve it back up. And then from the ends, let's curve it back up and in. Now top back to the center at the top here and let's draw another curve out and then an S-shaped curve down and bring it back in at the bottom. And the same thing on the right. And that's it for the top part of the hair. Now let's move underneath, close to the eyes, and let's draw another curved V shape. And the same on the right. Now let's draw the shape of the face. Underneath this point, let's angle it down and in. And then bring it down to the center to a point for the chin. Now next to the face, let's add the earrings. Let's start next to the cheeks and let's draw a circle. Now let's add curves all the way around for the petals. Next, on top of each earring, let's add a curve for the ears. Now that we're done the ears, let's hop to the top and add the crown. On the top left, let's draw 2 small curves up, coming to a point. And the same thing on the right. Now starting from the top, let's draw another curve over and back down, and the same on the other side. Next, let's hop to the center and let's draw a circle. Then let's add 4 curves around for the flower petals. And then let's draw a line on the left and the right. Now that we've drawn the gems, let's add the shape of the crown on top. From the outside gems, let's draw an angled line up and out. Then let's angle it back in and then a V-shaped point up in the center. And that's it for the crown. Now let's move down and start drawing the body. Underneath the head in the center, let's draw 2 lines down for the neck. And then a curve across. Now from the sides, let's draw a small angle down and out. Now at the ends, let's add the sleeves of our dress. Let's start by drawing a curve, and the same on the right. And then for the top, let's draw another curve up and out. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Lastly, inside each sleeve, let's draw a U-shaped curve at the bottom. Now let's move back in and finish drawing the top of the body. Let's start with 2 angled lines in, and then 2 lines coming down to a point underneath. Now let's hop inside and add the collar to our dress. Let's draw a V shape over to the left and to the right, and then a curve out to the sleeve on both sides. Now underneath, let's add the flower gem. Let's start by drawing a circle, and then add 6 petals around. And that's it for the upper part of the dress. Now let's move down and start drawing the skirt. From the sides of the waist, let's draw a curve down and out on both sides. Now top into the center, and let's draw a curve out to the sides. Now inside, let's draw a curve out and bring it up at the ends. And then another set of curves underneath. Now before we finish drawing the skirt, let's add the arms. Underneath the sleeves, let's draw a set of angled lines down and out. Then for the ends, let's curve it in, and then one more curve to close it off. Now underneath each sleeve, let's draw 2 angled lines down and out. And then another set of angles going out again. Now at the ends, let's draw the hands wearing gloves. Let's start with a bumpy line across. Then for the ends, let's angle it in, and then a line across. Now from the top, let's curve it out, down, and back in for the fingers. And then underneath, let's draw another curve over and back up for the thumbs. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move back up and finish drawing the bottom of the hair. Let's start on the left, and let's draw a curve down and curve it up. And the same on the right. Now let's curve it back in to the shoulders. And then add one more curve underneath on both sides. And that's it for the hair. Now let's move down and finish drawing the bottom of the skirt. From the sides, let's angle it down and out. Now let's hop to the center, and let's draw another set of angled lines. And then connect them at the bottom with the curve. Now from the bottom, let's curve it out, and then angle it back up. And the same on the right. And then one more curve on the outsides. Now inside at the bottom of each section, let's add another curve. And that's it for the first tier of the skirt. Now let's move underneath and draw one more. Underneath, let's draw 2 angled lines down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw another angle. And then curve it in. And then one more in the same way on both sides. And again, inside each section, let's add a curve at the bottom. And that's it for Princess Daisy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!